Hi, this is Caesar with LaView Security, and today we will demonstrate how to adjust the motion detection sensitivity of your doorbell camera. Let's pull out your app. If you own a doorbell, you may adjust the motion detection to best serve your surroundings. Once you have located the doorbell camera, slide it to the left. Tap on the setting icon. The setting menu will open. Find and tap on the alarm notification. Make sure that the alarm notification is enabled. Two functions shall appear: Draw Motion Detection Area and Motion Detection Sensitivity. Tap on Draw Motion Detection Area. On the upper right hand corner, you will see the draw icon. Tap on it. The image will now have a 25 square grid overlay. You may highlight any square on the grid to specifically tell your camera where to motion detect. After you've made your selection, tap on the save icon on the upper right hand corner. Click on the back arrow to go back to the previous menu. Tap on the motion detection sensitivity. You may adjust the sensitivity of your camera by sliding the button using 3 different levels. Low, for a moving person or other large moving objects. Medium, for moving small pets and other medium objects. High, for moving leaves and other small objects. Once you have selected your desired sensitivity, you may tap the back arrow icon to return to the previous menu. Your doorbell camera is now set. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please click the link below.